Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Jingïalap election nagbanta ka election MLA shooting samoy ha Gambegre constituency kalapoi shakabakut ha kalas ngi ublei ka khatway tarik nai wing arjar pasaw habadeng ka jingjai jai klamdon kinu kinrum kinram kapor banyalap election kalakut ha kapor saw baji janmiet kabalong hapo saw pupra kanta shakas ngi Thep vote kajing Thep vote ha Gambegre constituency banjet MLA thmai kanong ha ka khatlai tarik kata ha sngi balang habayakran bat chief electoral officer kajala UBDR Tiwari Ulaong baka Jingïalap election kalong kabayat bed hadu banapoi ka sngi bakut ka Jingïalap election Ulaong ba amsyam ladon kanu kajing penken yagi kendon penyat election hakapor bayat ka Jingïalap election kinong Thep vote barok kidan lai pulai hajar prapu prangut hakaba khandriu hajar praspa prapuwengut kideki chenrang bat khandriu hajar arspa nyongut kideki kenthai barok san pui tali ki Jaka Thep vote kilong ki ba omdan kanu ka jingyakan at ne jingma u CEO ulaong baki pulit ke jela lembat ki shikenhun ki pulit Central Armed Police Force ki don ban pendap ya ka kamram nak benta ka jing Thep vote u CEO ula kanturu ki pat ba ka Gambegre constituency banishim benta shitham ban Thep ya ka vote jongki ha ka ni ka election MLA shiteng samai
in the Gambegre Legislative Assembly by election 48 hours before the closer time of the voting. So today by 4 p.m. this active campaign has been closed in the Gambegre, and during this period, so only the candidate and the voters can be there. They can do the door-to-door, but no star campaigner will be there, and there will be a section 144 also in the area. And we are fully prepared for smooth conduct of election in the Gambegre, and all needful arrangement has been made. Tomorrow on 12th of November, polling party will start from the dispatch center, which will be in the DC office Tura, and they will reach to their respective polling station for smooth conduct of election. All the needful arrangement and facilitation, including AMF, etc., being assured in all polling stations. We are doing the webcasting in all 51 polling stations, and polling parties will be are going to the polling station by tomorrow, because there is no P-2 polling station. All polling stations are reachable and accessible to the motor vehicles. So, and entire campaign went very peaceful, no major complaint from any end, and we have total cumulative seizure of rupees 10,86,613, and entire election machinery is fully prepared for the conduct of free, fair, smooth and more participative election. If we see, we have some seizure of liquor. So total quantity is 1,736.35 liters, and its value is 3,04,133. If we see the total drugs, so total progressive seizure is valuing 2,04,000.
How many grams? How many grams?
So in the grams, it is 0.08 kilo and 108 kilogram. So that, and all other, if we see the other items, freebies including everything, so its total values etc. is going 54,248 only. So altogether total figure is 10,86,330. Basically, for each and every polling station, there will be the polling EVMs. They will carry the polling parties, which will actively go to the polling station for the 51 polling stations. So And apart from that, there will be the sector officers, 12 numbers, and 4 zonal magistrates. So they will also roaming and having the EVMs with them, especially the sector magistrates. So accordingly, all needful arrangement we have made for the smooth conduct of the election. So we see in this total in the by-election we have 33,088 voters for this 56 Gambegre Legislative Assembly constituency, and out of that 16,881 male and 16,207 female voters altogether in time, and we have not so far received any major complaint in respect to the MCC violation is concerned. Yes, we have made the state police is also deployed in all the polling stations to ensure the secure and safe polling, and moreover there the one company of CAPF also, they have been deployed in the different places to ensure a smooth conduct of elections. Yes, counting also will be done in the DC office Tura itself, and the counting center already been identified and approved. So all needful arrangement for the counting also been made. To appeal all the voters to come forward and cast their vote, no voter to be left behind. We have already taken all the on parameters of the Election Commission of India, and our local authorities have assessed and found there is no critical or vulnerable polling station in the Gambegre. Anyway, it is by poll, so all attentions of the elections are there, and we also made all needful arrangement to secure free, fair, and peaceful election in this by poll of the 56 Gambegre.